All right, guys, so welcome to the channel. This is Sick Vision Graphics. My name is Caesar. So today's topic is we're going to talk about DTF. And honestly, I'm going to tell you right now that it should not be considered for your clothing brand. So DTF has its place in the print industry. It's not for a clothing brand. Okay, if you're going to start a clothing brand, you always want to choose screen printing as your option. Maybe second place would be direct to garment, DTG. DTF should never be the option. I know it's the most economical option because you can get a sheet of DTF for less than 40 bucks, less than 50 bucks. You can probably get 15 designs on a single roll. And it's, again, less than $50. You can get your blanks from Jiffy Shirts, from all these websites, but it should never be your number one option to start a clothing brand. I'm gonna tell you right now, it might not succeed. Now, I'm not trying to bum anybody out. So I'm not being negative. I'm just here to try to help you out because I've seen ads, I've seen these posts coming up on my social media. And I can already tell that they're using DTF on a full square design, and it just feels like a sticker, sounds like a sticker. It doesn't sound premium. Okay, now these shirts are probably selling for 35 and plus, right? 35 plus. What's your brand about, right? Because you're starting this clothing brand because it represents something. It represents the best quality of yourself, right? Whether that's in workout, whether that's in, being sober, whatever the reason is, you always want to present it as the best quality that you can bring forward. The option is get with a screen printer, get with a print shop. They're going to tell you the best blanks. I'm going to tell you a story. I had a client that reached out to me. Now we've done some t-shirts for them, and they mentioned that they want to go for a premium brand for their shop. And they mentioned about, feeling it like as though in Macy's, going to the mall, going to the retail stores. They feel these shirts, they feel premium, they feel soft. Off the bat, I already knew what they were talking about, and I presented them with an AS color t-shirts. Now this is one of our premium cotton t-shirts. It feels super soft.
I definitely love this one. It just feels like quality, And so that's definitely something that I want to bring forth is quality.
Right. But anyways, we're not talking about t-shirts. We're talking about the print, right? Your brand. I'm gonna show you something real quick. This t-shirt has been screen printed. Now this feels premium. It looks nice. It looks vibrant from the colors. The distress is not from it being washed. You probably can't see the distress, but there's some distress on the design. That's part of the design, right? I'm gonna show you another t-shirt. Now this t-shirt here, this is made with a DTF sheet. Now this is one of my designs. What I did with this design is I knocked out the black. I've also made it halftone, so it's breathable. So there's all these little holes on the design. It makes it flexible. It makes it breathable. It doesn't sound like a sticker. It feels like direct to garment, almost feels like screen printed. And you can hear it. Like I can put it close to the mic. It does not sound like a sticker. So the moral of this video, guys, is just to better assist you. Again, I'm not trying to bum anybody down, not trying to bring anybody down, but I'm here to help. I'm here to answer any questions, offer my services. We can do design, we can do print, we ship it out. I'm all over social media. I'm on Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. You can check out our website, guys. Any questions, feel free to reach out to us. Please comment and share the video. Share with your friends that are starting a clothing brand. If you know somebody, this might help them out. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you on the next one.
Stop scrolling. Check out this video. Get custom apparel for your business needs. Sick Visions Graphics is a Houston-based screen printing company. Follow our social media for more updates. Contact us if you have any questions.